wait. Confused between UI or UX design? One builds the journey and other builds the look, and both are in high demand globally. But which one is right for you as an Indian student planning to study abroad? Let's break it down.
To chase a world to explore, Shiksha Study Abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
Let's start with what's the difference. UX design stands for user experience. It's all about how a user interacts with product, research, usability, wireframes and flow. UI design or user interface focuses on how the product looks like. It's all about typography, colors, buttons, animation and visual consistency. Next is who should study what. If you love psychology, research and building user journeys, UX is your thing. If you are into aesthetic, visuals and love tools like Figma and Adobe XD, go for UI. Here are some of the best countries to study UX and UI design as an international student. USA, UK, Canada, Germany and Australia. The average tuition fees for UG is between 12 to 25 lakhs per year, where PG tuition cost is between 15 to 30 lakhs per year. At last, career options and salaries. The entry-level average salaries in USA is between $65,000 to $85,000, in UK $30,000 to £45,000, in Canada $55,000 to $70,000 Canadian dollars, in Germany €45,000 to €60,000, and in Australia $65,000 to $85,000 Australian dollars. Students can expect the career roles like UX researcher, product designer, visual designer, interaction designer, and UI developer. Many Indian grads get into tech giants, design studios, or product-led startups within 3 to 6 months of graduation. Still not sure whether UI or UX fits your goal? That's where we come in. Shiksha Study Abroad offer free one-on-one counseling where we help you to choose the right country, shortlist universities, build your SOP and portfolios if required. Comment UX versus UI and we will send you a free counseling link.
Confused about study abroad? Don't worry. Get free expert counseling from Shiksha Study Abroad. From SOPs, LORs, university selection to visas, we cover it all. Message us now on WhatsApp at 8130132440 for 100% free guidance.